What is going on? Ryan Troy back with another video for you today. And today I want to talk about my premium graduation pack. Now, I'm going to be going through this in Evoto, although you can take this to Photoshop. I just found Evoto makes this extremely easy. And as you all know, yes, if you use my code RyanT, you do get a discount just like before with everything else. So the program we are in right now, or the application we are in right now, is Evoto. Once you finish doing your edits, and even if you don't, even if you just have a photo that you had already and you just want to bring it into Evoto and you don't want to do any editing there, that's completely fine. We're going to come over here to this background section, and then you will see a background changer. Now from here, once you get the premium graduation pack or any of the other packs that I sell, you will hit this plus icon and kind of navigate to exactly where you saved it, and then after that it'll load up and then you'll see it all right here. So it's 51. These are my other background packs that I have, but these are the graduation ones. These are the ones that we are going to focus on. So I just want to show you exactly how easy it is. You see right here, we have a person graduating high school, and we are going to use this photo right here. Now, one thing I will say is this is on stretch to fill. So, this was more of a landscape background, but since it's stretched to fill, it's kind of scrunching it together. So the fill mode, we will want to change to center fill, and that way it kind of gives it what it needs to be. And then from there, you could kind of go horizontally and just go side to side if it was one of the ones that's wider, to just try to get your composition right. Now, as you can see, if you look around the feet area, you don't see no shadows, so it kind of, sticks out, because from before you saw the shadows all right here. So what we can do here now is just the AI retain shadows, and what it'll do is it will actually put those shadows back. So I click that, and now as you see, the shadows that was there before are there now, and that brings it to life, because now it looks like the lighting was there when it happened. And then this is what I would go with. Now, if you want to add words or anything like that, you can. So you may be thinking, well, what if you took photos and it wasn't in the studio? Well, we can also do things where it's on location as well. For instance, this photo right here, originally it was taken outside, and all I needed to do was just the same thing. I came over the background and I chose one of the background packs, and this was the one that I felt looked good, moved it left and right till I felt it was good. Same thing with this actually. So if you see my horizontal, it originally was like this, but it's books, so I wanted to show the books, so I moved it over to the side like that. And this was actually one that was taken in the studio, added that just to give it something different. Now, this photo right here was actually taken outside as well. Evoto does a really good job when it comes to cutting people out the background to that. Like, you cannot see it at all. I don't care how much you try to pixel peep, it did a great job in cutting it out. And this is literally just drag and drop. Like, I'll show you. You come here, go to the backdrop that you want to use. I think it was this one, not sure, but come back, do exactly like I said before, center fill, boom, and then horizontal to get it to line up. I think this is actually a different one, but because he's in blue, I wanted to use a blue one. And that's the best thing about this backdrop pack that I have, is it's just a lot of different colors. So this one right here, this was in the studio, added that, looks phenomenal. This one right here was outside, cut her out, did a great job. This was also outside, he had the purple on, so I went with a purple backdrop. It's different colors. Right here, she had the green, so I went with a green. This was also outside as well. This was outside right here as well. Now, when it comes to, this is one of my favorite ones, but this was in a studio, and then boom. I really do like that one. And standing up is the same way. We go with the shadows. It's not that many shadows there. Since it's black, you probably can't tell, but it looks like she's actually there. So these are just another on location one, and this is also a studio one. So these backdrops are currently on sale for $15. I will have a link below in the description if you want to pick these up. It comes with 51 backdrops. So, you know, it's a great thing for you to offer. And like I said, it's only $15 while it's currently on sale because it's graduation season. But if you have any questions, or if you want me to show you how I would do this in Photoshop, well, long story short, I'll just make this real quick. What I would do is I would come on over here and take away the backdrop. And then what I would do is I would cut her out the backdrop in general. So we will come to recommend it and then do a transparent like that, and then you can do a retain shadow, and then literally just save this as a PNG, drop it into Photoshop. I have another video. I should just link that video towards the end because I'll show you how to do it in Photoshop as well. But I'm pretty sure in Photoshop you can take them out. It's just that Evoto does a really good job at cutting people out of the background. So there you have it. Until the next video, I am Ryan Troy, and peace.